Hello students! Strengthened Senior High School Program full implementation na ngayong school year 2026-2027. So handa ka na ba? So ano nga ba ang mga bago sa programang ito? So una, na-reduce ang mga core subjects. So from 15, naging 5 na lamang ang interdisciplinary subjects. Ito naman ang 5 core subjects. So number 1, effective communication. Number 2, life skills. Number 3, general mathematics. Number 4, general science. At ang panglima, pag-aaral ng kasaysayan at lipunang Pilipino. So meron na lamang 2 main tracks. So tinatawag itong una, academic electives. Ang number 2 naman ay technical, professional, or the Tech Pro electives. So ito ang mga academic electives. So number 1, arts, social science, and humanities. Number 2, business and entrepreneurship. Then, na-retain pa rin yung pangalan na science, technology, engineering, and mathematics. Sports, health, and wellness. At ang panglima, field experience. Ito naman ang nasa category ng technical professional or the Tech Pro electives. We have aesthetic, wellness, and human care. Then, second, agri-fishery, business, and food innovation. And then, artisanry and creative enterprise. And number 4, automotive and small engine technology. At ito pa ang mga kasama sa Tech Pro electives. Construction and building technology, creative arts and design technology, and hospitality and tourism. At meron pa para sa Tech Pro electives. We have ICT support and computer programming technologies, industrial technologies, and lastly, the maritime transport. Okay, so isa sa mga magandang feature nitong strengthened senior high school curriculum is that extended ang work immersion. So from 80 to 320 hours ngayon, ito ay 320 to 640 hours. Ito ang mga tinatawag nating feature of the strengthened senior high school curriculum. Okay? So, meron itong 6. So, number 1, reduction of tracks from 4 to 2. So, nabawasan na ang track natin. Dati kasi 4, ngayon dadalawa na lamang. Okay? Number 2, reduction of the required subjects by streamlining the number of core subjects, academic electives, and Tech Pro electives. Okay? And then number 3, replacing strands with cluster of electives. So, hindi na natin sila tatawaging strands. So, this school year, ang tawag na sa kanila ay clusters. Okay, number 4, introduction of a doorway option where learners can take note, 2 elective subjects from other tracks. So, pwede ka nang kumuha ngayon ng 2 elective mula doon sa ibang track. So, hindi ka na lang nababox doon sa kinuha mong track. Okay. Number 5, revise time allotment per subject. And then, gaya ng nabanggit natin kanina, number 6, extension of work immersion hours. Okay, so ito ang isa sa mga curriculum goals ng new senior high school curriculum. Aligned with the international benchmark and national educational goals, preparing the learners for higher education, the workplace, and lifelong learning. Okay. So, thank you so much and God bless.